In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Domino's gift card balance. This is a simple process that you can complete in just a few steps, so let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Domino's Pizza. This will bring up a list of search results related to Domino's. Once you have your search results, the next step is to find the correct link to Domino's official website. Typically, this should be one of the top results. Look for a link that clearly indicates it's Domino's official site, often marked with a web address like domino's.com. Clicking on the correct link is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the right information directly from Domino's website. Now that you're on the Domino's homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the footer. The footer is where many websites, including Domino's, place important links and information. Here, you'll want to look for the gift cards link. Clicking on this will take you to a page dedicated to all things related to Domino's gift cards. This step is important because it directs you to the specific section of the site where you can manage your gift card. With the gift card page open, you should see various options related to gift cards. Look for the option that says Check Gift Card Balance. Clicking on this will lead you to a page or a section where you can input your gift card details. This step is essential as it directly brings you to the balance inquiry feature. At this point, you will need your gift card handy. Enter the card number as well as the PIN associated with your gift card in the provided fields. It's crucial to enter these details accurately to ensure the system can retrieve your balance information. Once both fields are filled in, click the Submit button. This action will send your information to the system, and you should see a confirmation or results page appear shortly after. Checking your gift card balance is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of how much value you have left to spend. This can be especially useful before placing an order to ensure you have sufficient funds on your card. Plus, by familiarizing yourself with this process, you can easily manage multiple gift cards if you have more than one. Next time you want to treat yourself to a delicious pizza, you'll know exactly how much you have to spend. And remember, keeping track of your gift card balance helps you budget better and avoid any surprises during checkout. With that ready, you're all set to enjoy your Domino's experience with confidence, knowing exactly how much you have left on your gift card. Thank you for watching today. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Happy dining and enjoy your next Domino's order.